Embark on a whimsical, off-the-beaten-path walking trip through the enchanting labyrinth of Venice, where surprises and hidden gems await at every turn. Begin your day by crossing the iconic Ponte di Ghetto Vecchio, offering a glimpse into the city's artisanal canals and neighborhoods. As you meander through the narrow streets, you'll find yourself in the captivating neighborhood of Dorsoduro. Explore the local art scene at the Accademia Gallery, where masterpieces by Venetian painters come to life. Absorb the vibrant energy of this artistic district, dotted with cozy cafes and bohemian bookstores that invite you to unwind and dive into captivating narratives, continuing your journey. Hop aboard a vaporetto to the island of Murano, renowned for its exquisite glass craftsmanship. Marvel at the skilled artisans as they shape molten glass into intricate sculptures, delicate chandeliers, and colorful vases. Wander through the charming streets of Murano, adorned with stunning glass storefronts that showcase the island's timeless artistry. Returning to the heart of Venice, navigate the lesser-known corners of Cannaregio, a tranquil district with hidden canals and serene squares. Make your way towards the picturesque district of San Polo. Traverse its ancient Rialto Bridge and embrace the timeless romance of Venetian gondolas gliding along the Grand Canal. Find a cozy spot in a traditional trattoria, indulging in delectable sacchetti and a glass of regional prosecco, while immersing yourself in the lively atmosphere of this vibrant neighborhood. As night falls, venture back across the shimmering waters of the canals, savoring the last moments of your off-the-beaten-path adventure. Reflect on the hidden treasures of Venice that have left an indelible mark on your heart. This one-day journey has revealed the true essence of the city, inviting you to fall in love with its lesser-known wonders and embrace the spirit of exploration.